Okay, good evening. So I'll be teaching how to solve area of triangles. So there are three ways of solving area of triangle. First one is, let's say this is a triangle and you are given three sides. Let's say C, B, and A. Let's say you have three numbers. Example, let's say you are given something like 4. Let's say you are given 13, 15, and 4. 13, 15, and 4. This is an example. So you use this formula I'm about to show you if you are given three sides. Are you getting me? If you are not given three sides, don't use this formula. Now the formula is like this. Area is equals to square root of S brackets S minus A open bracket S minus B S minus C. Are you seeing this? S open bracket S minus A, close it, open bracket S minus B, close it, open bracket S minus C. That means now before we go on, I have to tell you what is this S. So now S, when I'm saying this S means half of ABC, half of A plus B plus C. That means if I add all these sides together and find half of it, that is your S. So now that S, if you use it and subtract A, this and subtract B, this and subtract C, and multiply them all together with another S, you're going to get the area of triangle. So let's use this one for example. Let's solve this one. So solution, how to do it? We first have to find our S. So S is equal to half A plus B plus C, right? Now half is 1/2 times, remember this thing means times, okay? So now A is what? A is 4. Look at it, A 4. B is 15 and C is 13. So we are going to add it all together, half plus. So now 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 plus 13, if you add them together, you are going to be getting 32. Are we together? So that means half times 32. So now if you find half times 32, it will give you 16. Are you there? So now that we have S is equal to 16, how we are going to solve the area is, let me put it, anywhere I see S, I'll write 16. Area is equal to square root of 16 times 16 minus A is what? 4. Bracket 16 minus B is what? 15. Bracket 16 minus C is what? 13. Are we together? So that is it. So that means if we solve this, we find the square root of the answer, right? So now if you find it, this is, let me first write this 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 15 is 1. 16 minus 13 is 3. That means this is 16 times 12 times 3 and times 1. Are we together? So now if you multiply these things together, you are going to be getting 556. Look, let's do it so that you know what we are saying. Let me use a black marker. So 16 times 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 16, right? That means, oh my God, okay. That means 2, this is what? 9 and 1. 192 times 1 is 192. So 192 times 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 1, 2 plus 5. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. You see how we got it? 576. Now, if you find the square root of 576, you are going to be getting equals to 24, which means if you say 24 times 24, you are going to get 576. So if you have any question on this one, you can ask. Look at it carefully. You can pause the video to check it. Let me give you the second style of it. Remember, this one is the first one. If you have three sides, you use this formula. Learn the formula. Square area is equal to square root of s bracket s minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c, and s is half of a plus b plus c. So now if you know these formulas, you are good to go. The next one is the second way of finding area of triangle is, let's say you are given a height. Are you getting me? Let's say this is a triangle and you are given a height. Remember, this one is called slanted height. I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about the line that runs from up to the down part. Are you getting me? Let's say you are given a height. Now, what you do is, let me label it A, B, and C. And here will be C, A, and B. So why it's labeled like that is this C is facing this angle, B is facing this angle, A is facing here, right? So now, if you follow this now, the area, if you are given that, is going to be half base times height, or you call it half PH. And the base is this down part. Are you getting me? That is your base. While your height is this line coming down. Are we together? So now, with that said, look at what we are going to do. Are you ready? So now, let's say example, you have a triangle and a height, and the height is 8 centimeter, and you know these are two different sides, right? So but here they write something like 18 and here 4, which means here is 18, from here to here is 18, and from here to here is 4. If here to here is 18 and here to here is 4, that means if you add two of them together, you are going to get your base 22 centimeters. So now you see that we have gotten our base as 22 centimeters, and we have our height. Our height is 8 centimeters. Now we have gotten that thing down. We just have to find the area, which is area is equals to half base times height, which is equals to half of 22 times 8. 2 can divide 22, 11. What remains is 11 times 8, which will give you 88. Are you getting me? So that is how to solve the second one. Remember, the first way of solving area is if you have the three sides. Second way of solving area is you have one side and you have height and base. This is the way you use it for solving it. Are you getting me? So now the last one is if you have some sides and what's it called? If you have some sides and you have an angle, that is the last one. That's the last one. So now the last one is if you are given two sides and an angle. So now this one can be tricky, but it's also very simple. Idea. So let me clean this one. So now, I've said in this one, height is no more there. They did not give you height. So, and remember what I told you before, that this is angle B and this is side B. So now if you are given an angle and two sides, or you are given this angle and two sides, what you have to do is area is equals to half AB to mean the two sides sine theta. What this thing means is, if you are given two sides, what you should do is multiply the two sides together. If it's here, that means two of them. If it's here, two of them. If it's here, two of them. Multiply two of them. Multiply it by the angle, sine of that angle. Are you getting me? So right now, I'm sure that many of you have already done how to find sine, right? Let's do an example on that too, so that when I give assignments, you know what I'm talking about. So now, as this one is example, this is a triangle. Here is 6 centimeter, here is 15 centimeter, and we have an angle of 64 here. Are you there? So now with this, what we have to do now is to, since if you check, there are two sides and there's an angle, so we are using this formula. So that means, let's do it. Solution is 6 area of what? Half of A, let's pick any one, half times 6 times 15 times sine of 64, sine 64. So now we have to now check what is sine 64. So let's continue. This is half of 6 times, okay, let's do this. Let's do this 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. So let's remove this half now. So this is equals to 3 times 15 times sine 64. What is sine 64? If you check your 4-figure table, you are using calculator, you are going to see sine 64 is going to give you something like 0.8988. Are you there? So now what you just have to do is you multiply it together. 45 times 0.8988. So if you multiply it together, you are going to get, maybe you are using your calculator or you decide to multiply it by hand, you're going to get something like this, 40 by 4 centimeter square. So this is just how it is. So remember, well, if this angle is here and there are two sides, just multiply them all and find the sign of the angle when you're multiplying. Remember the formulas. So now, let me revise so that I'll know if you have understood what I've said. Please feel free to pause the video at any place that you don't understand, and feel free to check the video or to watch it again from the beginning if you are confused at any point, and also feel free to ask questions. So first one I said, area of, what we did today is area of triangle, right? So now the first one, if 3 sides are complete, this revision of what I just said. If the 3 sides are complete, the formula of it is area is equals to square root of s bracket s minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c. So that is it. And I said that where s is what? Half a plus b plus c. Remember, right? So that is what I said. Then I said if you were given height, if you were given the height of the triangle, what you do, that's if you are giving height and maybe the base, what you do is area of the triangle is equals to half base times height. And I've already told you how to find the base. Remember, if it's 2 numbers, add it together. If they give you only this place, you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the other parts. Are you getting me? So please don't forget. And the last one, if you are given 2 sides, if you are given 2 sides and an angle. If you are given 2 sides and an angle, area is equals to half AB, which is multiply the 2 sides by sine of the angle. So feel free to ask questions, feel free to play the video again, feel free to watch the video as many times as you want to watch it. Are you getting me? So feel free. And if you are done, if you look below this video, you are going to see if you are part of the WhatsApp group that I gave. I also tell you how to see the assignments that is part of that, their classwork or the assignment that is with this video. So you can go there and try out those questions that are there. If you try it out, I'll see what you got there and give you feedback. If there's anything that you don't understand in what I wrote, you can also send me a private message on our WhatsApp group. You know my number, right? So, or if you are watching it from YouTube, you can drop a comment and I will reply it. So that is it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next class.